And today, this is being represented in ultra fast mode right there, guys. This is your exit. Boom. You see how fast it crossed above the line?
Order filled.
That is it right there, okay? Right now, FlexMO is being showcased to you in ultra fast mode. The opening bell system, what you're going to see today, is built specifically for the most volatile, emotional, and opportunity-rich window of the trading day, roughly 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. This is where liquidity floods in, overnight positions are unwound, and weekends really get shaken out. So the system combines a structured read on momentum. You've got enhanced volume profile, and you've got a dynamic stop loss logic in it as well. And you've also got some behavioral filters, which you see right here on the screen on the lower right side for the open. Now, the goal, it's not to chase every candle, but to identify when the open has structure versus when it's just chaotic noise. So let me just go ahead and pause it real quick. We just got a nice cycle shift right here to the downside. Okay, and this is exactly what I'm looking for here, guys. I'm looking for the point of maximum energy right there, okay? And this, to me, appears to be wanting to go down. Now, look at our market state profile also changed as well, okay? It's changed like 2 or 3 times since we've actually gone live right now. So the market state changed to cyclic. So we are definitely in a cyclic environment. There's no doubt about that because your market structure tool, CYMO Pro, is telling you that you're in a cyclic environment. Okay, this is a cycle right here by all definitions. You've got cycle going up, momentum following. Nice clean sine wave right there. And you've got a perfect cyclic cross that just happened right there. You're at the point of maximum energy. This is telling you that the market is cyclic and it's also volatile as well. So participation, people are in the initiative stage of the market, and your playbook is that this could be a trap zone. That means that you need to be patient and you need to take quick profits if you're going to execute on any type of strategy using this guidance right here. And if you're here at the point of maximum control, then I want to see how this looks here on our 1-minute chart, okay? Is this a place where we want to execute and put risk on, or do we want to stand back? Notice what happened here right at the opening candle. This was the opening candle right here. The market just whipsawed, crazy whipsaw right here. This is exactly what you're trying to avoid by using a structured system like this, okay? You hit your value area. And by the way, guys, there is a spread in the value area, which goes from the pink line all the way to the other pink line, which is like all the way down here. You see, this spread right here is 132 points. That's what that spread means, okay? Right there on the upper left quadrant. So you don't have to worry about calculating that yourself. You just hit your high value node. You got another high value node right there. Looks like price is coming down, and your 2-minute time frame is confirming that you're at the point of maximum energy to the downside, okay? Which means that I'm looking for downside trades. Now, our primary execution tool here is FlexMO. FlexMO already crossed the 0 line right there. You're at your high value node. This is an entry right there, guys. When this magenta line crossing below the 0 line, I mean, you're set up to go short right here. You're in a high volatility environment right here too. Look at this here at the bottom, okay? Very high volatility environment right there. So if you're going to pull a trade, it's definitely not going to be to the long side. It's going to be to the short side right there, okay? So we will go ahead and place it and see where it goes. And now that FlexMO dropped all the way down here, all the way down to the threshold, we're waiting for this. Pink line to actually cross above the red line right there. Now, yesterday I told you that FlexMO has one very unique feature. You can turn it on and have it in ultra fast mode. And today, this is being represented in ultra fast mode right there, guys. This is your exit. Boom. You see how fast it crossed above the line?
Order filled.
That is it right there, okay? Right now, FlexMO is being showcased to you in ultra fast mode. Yesterday, it was in regular mode, but today it is in ultra fast mode. And you see how quick it took that exit right there? It hit your value area right there, and that is it, guys. Once it crosses above, let me just go ahead and put a little circle here for you guys to see exactly what I'm talking about right there. Okay, once it crosses above this threshold, you are done with the trade right there. There is nothing else to be taken with that trade, okay? That's where you pull the trigger and you exit your trade at that moment, okay? Right now, you can tell that cycle and momentum are rolling down. So you got a cycle here, you got another cycle right here, and we're waiting to see where they intersect. Alrighty, guys, we got a nice little intersect right here. Okay, we've got an intersect right here, and let's go ahead and just kind of give this bad boy a little bit more slack and see where it goes. So this is telling you that the rotation to the downside, guys, is pretty much done. It's over with. There is no more rotation to the downside at this point. So let's take a look at the 1 minute and see where the 1 minute is at. Oh yeah, the 1 minute is primed right here to go up. Look at this. You've got FlexMO above the 0 line, and it's definitely going up. You're in your high value node right there. Let's go ahead and
order filled.
Take a trade to the long side right there. Why not? You got another high value node right there, and your spread is now only 96 points from this level to this level up here. And keep an eye on the magenta line right here, okay? You just hit your high value node, and you also hit your point of control right there. Yep, and I'd probably take that trade off right there if I had to take a trade off. I'd take it off right there. I probably blinked and didn't take it off quick enough, but that's it, guys. I wouldn't hold on to this trade anymore, just simply because you got a crossing right here, and this actually moved really, really fast to the upside, and that was it, okay? So this trade, given where we took it at, would probably be a paper cut, which is about 10 points, and that's it. You'd be done with this system. Your biggest trade of the day happened right here to the downside. This was a tiny paper cut, and I should have taken it off right there when it hit the top, and I didn't, you know, I blinked. But it's okay. That's how the system works, guys. That is the opening bell system right there. So whether it's the elephant hunter, the whale hunter, or the opening bell system, you got to stop dabbling and you got to start building. It's already mid-February, guys. You just got to get to work and start doing it, okay? Alrighty, guys, that's all I've got for you today. I'll be back tomorrow for the post-market recap. Until then, happy trading.